That's my Just Roll puff pastry. All right, that's just my caramel dip. Now I am just gonna spread this out. We don't need too much of this, so even though I had a little gap in between there, I am not gonna worry about it. I'm just gonna spread, spread, spread right down the center of my puff pastry. Now I've got my peach pie filling, and I've got a knife here, and I just wanna make sure these peaches are all in smaller pieces, so I'm just running my knife kind of edge to edge in here. Perfect. Now I've got my little scooper, and I am just gonna scoop, scoop, scoop some of our peach pieces. Ooh, there's a big one with our delicious peach kind of juice in here, peach pie filling. On that caramel, y'all, this is gonna be so good. Alrighty, I've got some chopped pecans here, and I am just gonna give these a little sprinkle right on top of those peaches and that caramel. Y'all, this is like a Georgia delicacy here. We got the pecans that are grown in Georgia, and we've got our peach pie filling. Yum! I'm gonna hit this with a little bit of our light brown sugar. It's just gonna caramelize up those peaches and pecans from right on top, and it's gonna just complement the caramel flavor on the bottom there. Ooh, that looks good. All right, time to start the fun part. I've got my little puff pastry edges here because we just cut this sort of edge to edge, and I'm gonna start wrapping these crisscross applesauce or crisscross peach sauce, I guess, depending, right on top of each other. This is so fun. It comes out so pretty, and it's just a fun, easy way to impress your family, your friends, your guests, whoever you've got coming over. All right, we're just gonna brush this with a little bit of melted butter. Ooh, you could put some cinnamon on top or some cinnamon inside too if you wanted to just take this to the next level. But those caramel, peaches, pecan, I think y'all, this is gonna be so delicious. I cannot wait for y'all to see this, to try it, bite into it, and woo, it's gonna just set those taste buds on fire. Yum. Pick this whole thing up. I'm gonna transfer this onto my baking sheet here, right on top of that parchment paper. So easy. And now I'm gonna pop this in my oven at 425 for about 25 minutes. Alrighty, y'all. It was just in the oven for 15 minutes. Look how gorgeous this looks. Those peaches inside, all of our pecans, and that caramel. I'm just gonna do, y'all, my little sifter thing. It was in the sink already, so I'm putting just a pinch of powdered sugar on here, just like that. Perfect. All right, let's cut into this, baby. It's still pretty hot. There we go. Look at that. Yum. That looks amazing. Ooh. Pop this little piece onto a plate. There we go. All right, moment of truth. Marty, you better blow on it though, because it looks a little hot.
This smells and looks delicious, honey.
Yay.
All right, let's see how we do here.
Everything I do for you, my dear.
And I appreciate you.
Maybe you appreciate me.
It's like I can't get it on my fork.
Uh-oh.
All right.
Definitely blow on it.
Also gives it a chance to cool down.
Yeah.
Alright. Mmm.
You like it? He's born in Georgia, folks.
Yeah.
Georgia boy says this peach treat is delicious.
Y'all gotta try this. Tastes like home.
You gotta try it.